Welcome to AI-generated Vidz. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma from beneath the Earth's crust surfaces. Magma is molten rock formed under high pressure and temperature conditions. It rises through weak points, cracks, and fault lines in the Earth's crust. When it reaches the surface, it is called lava. Lava erupts from the volcano's summit with great force and spreads outward. During an eruption, volcanic gases, hot rock fragments, ash, and lava flows are expelled. This process can significantly impact the surrounding areas. Volcanic gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and other harmful gases. When released into the atmosphere, these gases can reduce air quality and lead to acid rain. Ash clouds can spread over vast areas, adversely affecting aviation. They can damage aircraft engines and reduce visibility. Lava flows move down the slopes due to gravity, burning everything in their path. These flows can cause significant damage to settlements, agricultural lands, and infrastructure. Falling rock fragments can cause direct physical damage. Volcanic eruptions also impact local ecosystems. The immediate aftermath can devastate the surrounding vegetation and wildlife. However, in the long term, volcanic ash and lava enrich the soil with minerals, creating fertile land for agriculture. Volcanoes also play a crucial role as a source of geothermal energy. In regions where magma is close to the surface, geothermal power plants can be established to harness this natural heat for electricity production. This makes geothermal energy an important renewable resource. The scientific study of volcanic eruptions is vital for geologists and volcanologists. By examining the history and behavior of these eruptions, future events can be predicted and preventive measures can be taken. Monitoring volcanic activity is crucial for the safety of people living in nearby areas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for new AI videos.